Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to look at the best practice for creating records in CRM. Records have a hierarchy, and at the top of the hierarchy is the account entity. The best practice Microsoft recommends for creating records is actually to create a record within a record. Reason being is because it creates links between the records that you're creating. It creates that relationship, and also it pulls information from the parent record into the child record, and that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to start by creating an account and then creating some contacts and some opportunities from within the account entity. So first thing I'm going to do, in the account section, I'm just going to go ahead and click on new, and just going to give this a name, so Wayne's Business. I'm going to put in some details here for the address. So I'm just going to add some information here. Put in a city, country, level of England. Actually created a country drop down, but I'm going to also put in a country in the text field here of the UK, and my zip code here. Just going to put that in. Okay, so I've just put in that information there. Email address for the company, so just call that Wayne Business at hotmail.com, and also a website. Fantastic. And I'm also just gonna put in a some other information here. So let's see what we have. I'll also give an industry and maybe number of employees as well. So I just filled out some basic information in my account entity. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit save now. And as you know, when you click save, the links and the left navigation become active, and what I actually want to do is I want to create contacts for this account. Now by doing this, what I'm actually doing is creating a relationship between the contact and the company. I'm actually telling the system that these people work for this company or belong or associated to this company in some way, shape or form. So the best practice for creating contacts is, firstly, if the contact exists in the system. If it doesn't, go into the contacts company record, click on contacts on the left hand side here, and add new contact. And as I said, the system creates a relationship for you. You can see how it's done so because the parent customer field has been populated with Wayne's Business, so the system's created the link already for you, and also it's made life easier because it's pulled down the address details from the company record. The system assumes that the contact will have the same address as the company, so it's populated that information for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in there Wayne Smith, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit save and close. And this is the idea. You see, this, the sense behind this is you can create the contacts from within the company record, and also it makes life a lot easier when searching for contacts as well, because if you know what company they belong to, it may be easier just to go into the company record, click on contacts on the left hand side, and it will give you a list of all the people that work for that company. Likewise, creating an opportunity is exactly the same thing. If it's a new company or new business, you know that you'll start from a lead entity, and if you want to know how to do that, you can look at a video that I've done on the sales process in CRM, but we're going to go on the assumption that it's an existing account, and if so, you'll just go into the account entity, click on options, and click add new opportunity. This is on the assumption that you want the opportunity associated to the company record. It may be a situation where you actually want the opportunity associated to a contact instead. And if that's the case, I could literally go into my contact, Wayne Smith there, just double click and open up that record. Once again, click on opportunities on the left hand side, but this time for the contact entity, and click add new opportunity. So really the idea is you create records from within records to have that link and have that relationship. Last but certainly not least, it's exactly the same thing for cases. So within cases here, I'm in the account entity. If I was to click on cases and click on add a new case, what I'm actually doing is I'm telling the system that I want to create a new case which is associated to the customer Wayne's business. And I can fill in the details of my case here. Let's put in there test case and save and close. And I've just created a case that's associated to the account for Wayne's business. So again, doing it this way also means that you can go into either an account or contact, and all the vital information for that account or contact has already been linked through the creation of records from within the account or contact entity. Okay, so I just quickly showed you, if I'll go ahead and save and close, I just quickly showed you what the best practice is for creating records in CRM. It's to create records within records, to create that relationship and to create that link. Thank you.